Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can make a Google Meet code, but before that please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So for that, simply go ahead, open up your Google Meet app that you have installed, and I'm going to cross this out so I can show you the process. And over here you should be able to create yourself a link, and when you share that link, that is basically code sharing for your particular meeting. So for that, you're going to be tapping on this new option over here, and then tap on this option of create link. Then your link is over there. You can tap on join meeting, you can tap on share, and you can tap on copy. Once you have copied it, you're going to be going back to any of your social media platforms, and you're going to be pasting that link over there. I have sent this person this link, and this is the meeting code for them. So I'm going to tap on the link. So for example, I got it for me. I'll tap on this join right away. So I hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in our next video.